fun torturing all of you monkeys yet.
Damn it. I know he's gotten stronger, but I had no idea he would be this powerful. Now what? Fuses with Kakarot and Broly to become Brokuda again? But we still need Dragon Balls to stabilize the triple fusion. What the? It looks like our backup has arrived. Backup? But who besides us could be strong enough to beat Frieza? A Krillin really called for backup. What? No, that's not Krillin. His name is Saitama. I fought with him before. He was so strong that I had to go all out only to end up in a draw. He likes fighting strong opponents too. That's why I invited him here. Huh?